Hello, my name is Francisco González. I am the member representative for the team number 2, which is based off Victor Hugo Gutierrez Cavazos and Carlos Rodrigo Gómez González. We are working on the virtual library of historical documents team, and I will be presenting to you what we have worked so far into this project. So first of all, we have the introduction, which all of the members of the team have analyzed, which is currently the project of the Museum of Switzerland, which has multiple VHS tapes with history of hundreds of people who emigrated into the United States. These VHS tapes are being written down into digital archives with software, which we are aware of, and we are hoping to take those transcripts and show you what we're about to do with them into this project. So the objective of this project consists of using multiple programming languages ranging from Python to SQL with the uses of Postgres, which is a method of SQL tool to bring the archives into a more sophisticated way, in a digital way. The usage of front end and back end will present just as the databases. The combination of all of these pieces of architecture of software will push our capabilities into the edge. This will help us giving the international relationship in a professional manner, having a relationship with a client, which will help us throughout what the final design must be, or if it covers every necessity we cover. So here we have the plan, our web page. We're hoping to make a web page out of the information that we have been provided with the documents, with the images, with audios, the transcripts of the audios on VHS, and we will be giving multiple features here in our web page. Here we have some of that information. The web page will be capable of getting access to different archives present on the database. The software will be accessing throughout Flask, which is a Python tool, into the database and extract the information which is programmed to be shown. There will be a functional search bar. It will access a database for the names for archives where it can open the UI for this archive. The limits in this project are its scalability. We are not capable of creating a program which will be able to keep up with more entries of the information, and we will work with only pieces of it. So we will try to make our best into that part so it does not get complicated or means reduced experience for the user, which is hoping to get more information out of it, or at least in a more comfortable way. So our vision, the main purpose of the virtual library of historical documents is to improve access, organization, and preservation of historical documents throughout advanced digital technologies, throughout digitalization and the implementation of an efficient search system. Data management is optimized, allowing users to find information quickly and accurately. In our mission, in a more detailed way, we hope to design and structure an optimized database for efficient management of historical documents, apply normalization techniques to reduce redundancies, and improve the data integrity and query optimization in an advanced search. All of this implemented into the web page that we have mentioned before. So here's a wireframe, the main wireframe, which is a little bit robust compared to what we actually expect to be delivering at the end of this project. So this wireframe will show an idea of it. So here we have multiple histories, which will be outstanding out of other histories that we might want to show, or just switch over between the other histories that we have in documentation. A little bit of the main idea of the project, and multiple options for the user to select, such as photographies, documents, audio, some other options which are going to be hidden because of design. You can scroll this little line of information, so you can get an option for you to choose between all of these maps, locations, everything. So going into the next slide, we show some of the features that we have thought into specifically adding for the project. So first of all, we have a digital document management. which will be centered into the database. Storage, consultation of documents in various formats, such as text, image, audio, video, etc. Currently, we only have text, but we will hope to, out of the text, just try to bring out some of ideas like images or pictures, which will be related to the text transcript that we have been given. Organization through categories, tags, and structured metadata. Downloaded documents in compatible formats, so other investigators or whoever wants to learn into more deepness about the topics that are being shown into the library can be deeply searched. Advanced search engine which filters by author, date, category, document type, and keywords, which will make easier to find different archives for investigators or just museum curious people. Use of indexes and query optimization for fast and accurate search, so it doesn't take an eternity to find a document which is trying to be reached. And autocomplete function and suggestions based on search history. That might be one of the hardest features that we might want to implement into the web page, but if it's possible for us to develop it, I really hope so. Interactive document viewing. Integrated viewer for documents, images, and multimedia files, which is one of the tools which I have shown here in the wireframe, which will be an interactive timeline to view documents in a historical context. So in that you will have the option to select one of them, and it will open a window for you to have all of that information in a wider view, right? So here's just like the surface. If it gets into your mind to dive deep into some other areas which are shown in the previous presentation here, it will open up another user interface for you to interact more deeply into it. So, end users, who will we expect to show our project to? Administrators of the project, museum visitors and general public, and researchers and academics. So the system caters to three types of users: administrators who manage the repository, user account, security, and system performance; museum visitors and the general public who can browse, search, and view documents as well as download public materials and leave feedback; and researchers and academics who access high resolution scans, contribute to uploading documents, and collaborate with others. With the possibility of requesting access to restricted content for research purposes. We are aware we are not the only people who will be working all together into this project, so we will be glad to have more people to implement more information in an easy way to give maintainability to our project. So, the methodology that we are reaching to utilize is Kanban methodology. Kanban is a visual management system designed to optimize workflow and improve efficiency. Originating from the 1940s for Toyota, which is a really good management company for just in time. It's also utilized in Amazon. Production. It has since expanded to various industries, including software development and project management. It is core Kanban. Uses visual boards divided into columns representing workflow stages to do in progress, done, like Eureka apps, such like that. Tasks are represented by cards that move throughout these stages, helping teams identify bottlenecks, enhance transparency, and improve collaboration. A key principle of Kanban is limiting work in progress, preventing task overload, and ensuring a focused workflow. This reduces delivery time and increases quality. Flow management is also crucial, optimizing task movement and tracking metrics like cycle time to enhance efficiency. So what we basically want to do is to constantly be working and making sure that everything that needed to be completed before another project is being started is completed. Okay, so finally, I would like to thank the team for the participation and investigation for this project and presentation, and giving me the opportunity to present it to you. I hope you have a really good day, and we will be keeping ourselves in contact for the whole final project delivery. Thank you very much.